Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily open Windows update in Troubleshooter and solve your error in Troubleshooter. So for doing this you just need to go to search tab here. So just tap on search tab and just write here Troubleshoot. So here you can see Troubleshoot settings, so just tap on it. After you just need to wait some time until it will load window with available options for fixing. So here in Troubleshoot you need to choose get up and running, and here you will see Windows updates. So just tap on it and here you will see run the troubleshooter. So just tap here and it will automatically start for detecting the problems and just propose you to solve it. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.